or even caricatures and cartoons. And that is where we actually introduce CBC so that we can tap those talents. CBC is all about talents. And that is what we are accommodating in our schools, so that children can come out holistically and share out what they are talented to do. So if our children can only express themselves in music, let it be. If they can express themselves in drawing, let it be. If they can express themselves in chanting, let it be. The level of political intolerance we are witnessing, it has started off with the mountain, the Mount Kenya region. Tear gases are being thrown in churches. We witnessed one in Nyandarua, twice. The level of intolerance in meetings, that goons are being sent to meetings so that we can be scattered. That level of intolerance is an indication that there are people who are hell-bent to do all it takes to govern this country without respect of the rule of law. We must call you for what you have become, a creeping dictator in this country. We must call you for what you have become, a looter of public resources. We must call you for what you have become, a violator of women's rights. We must call you for what you have become. And as a woman, I will stand for the rights of women in this country. We will not allow you to do what you have done. Tuliona mili ikitolewa Kware, hakuna mtu ameshikwa, na wale walishikwa tunaambia walitoroka. That must stop in this country. We are not going to allow you to go to those levels. Kwa hayo mengi na machache, ningeomba dada yangu Catherine Waruguru dakika. I have donated my 1 minute before.
Kwa sababu ya agenda.
Yes.
Lakini yako umemaliza.
Nimemaliza. Nimekubali, nimemaliza.
Sababu Zakaya wamekusikia. Karibu mheshimiwa.
Your Excellency, the Deputy President, the Second Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua,